Yeah, you saw that. That's right. This actually cost over $700 at one point. Um, I found this in a lane, as usual. It's where I find everything. I only touched it because it had 3 Corsair RGB fans in it, which I'm going to put in my PC in a future video. So now I have this worthless case with all the screws missing, and it's kind of bent because I did toss it a few times because it's garbage. Like, what a piece of crap. Who would ever buy this? It's hideous. Absolutely hideous piece of shit. Like, it only has one USB port, and then your headphone and microphone, but it only has one USB on your front panel. That's lame. Has one tiny power button. And look at this. Wow, that's quality, right? That's worth my $700. Nice and flimsy aluminum. Very flimsy. And some tempered glass that says bullshit like games and more games and more games. And then the back, we just have this fancy sticker. If anyone can tell me what this says, I'd sure like to know. Got a hole for your motherboard and some. You've got your 3 slots for your RTX 3090s and 1 Wi-Fi card to go in. Now, where does the power supply go? Well, your cord would go through here into that little thing in the back there, because it's a stupid design. So, yeah, let's go. Alright, enough with the rant. Let's smash this bitch. Piece of crap. I just don't know who would buy this. Like, seriously. Who would buy this? That was cheap. Where'd that go? Went inside the case. I got a feeling this tempered glass is going to be very strong. Oh yeah, that's strong tempered glass. No way. No way, that tempered glass is very strong. I have a solution. Well, that's gonna be fun to clean up. That literally went everywhere. Alright. What a mess. You don't even need the sledgehammer. No, you stay there. Well, not much more I can do. It's pretty much dead now. there you go. Just a quick video for today. This incredibly stupid and ugly PC case. Again, who would ever buy this? It's so ugly.